Welcome back to the channel again, new project with Dave.
Hey,
Thanks for coming in.
Yes.
As you can see, there's something to do with the roof. Actually, this is not a project, this is a core. Yeah, I built this garage in 2004, and this is the shingles from this time. We've put new shingles on the carport, but the old section still have the old shingles, and they are quite at the end of their life. So better change them so that we have all the same age of shingle in the garage. So come along with us on that nice project. Cheers! So this is the section we have to do. We're right now on the carport. We have Dave. And very far end, this is the case with the reversed fork. So the fork are on this side instead of the other side, so that we can reach the very top. And we have those tall bags. We're going to put the old shingles on it. And as usual, we have some music. Stick around. Hit the old jack. Hit the old jack. second day. The other side have been completed just before rain. Today seems to be a little bit of... it's going to rain soon. Anyway, so what we do, on the other side we have the chance to have the carport to be able to set our equipment and have the our equipment and be able to work from a platform. On this side there's no platform, so we're going to build one. Why not renting scaffolding? It's because we are going into some uneven material and unknown places. There's, I think they call it Spira, S-P-I-R-A-A.
Yeah.
And this is my wife's pairing, so we're going to take care.
Yes.
So that's why we did set up for some small pieces of wood being with some pickets. I think yes, you can see them. And we're going to extend some oh no, that's raining. Anyways, you will see that on video.
Yes.
Okay, basically what we did is a T-frame with one diagonal, and at the very end we put some steel angle iron so that we can make sure that we have some good strong support from the wall, and the upper part is going to be a railing for our safety. So that's pretty much it. So this is what we came up with within maybe 4 hours of work. So we have a full platform at the top level. This is 24 feet long, 4 feet wide, and we have a lot of studs just under the platform. Dave is working up there. He's going to clean up a little bit. We have the 2x10s, 2x6, 2x8, and again this is maple studs, 2 inches, and the span is in between is 8 feet, and there's a lot of braces. So this is basically the walkway we have up there. This is 4 feet wide, and we have the handrail on the other side. This is it for now. So there's no chance that we have some debris falling off the platform, and this is the idea for that. So it's very tight against the gutter. So we're going to be able to collect all the nails. Oh, c'est not bien. C'est bon.